Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. I'm Belle from budgetbelle.com, helping create a budget, pay down debt, and save for the future. So, in today's video, I wanted to bring you guys another stimulus update and answer a lot of the frequently asked questions that I get oftentimes in my comment section down below. If you haven't yet, please subscribe to the channel right there down below. New videos weekly. Like this video immediately to let YouTube know that you like what it is that I'm doing here, to get this video out to more people. Okay, let's get started. So in today's stimulus update, I wanted to talk about those who receive Social Security benefits such as SSI, Ssdi, Railroad Retirement, VA benefits, and the like, and who are still waiting for their stimulus payment. I will be answering some frequently asked questions that I've received in previous videos, and I will try my best to answer as many as I can. Oftentimes, guys, I'm in the comment sections replying back to questions that you guys may have. I do the best I can. There are a lot. If I have missed you in the past, I'm sorry. Just be sure to ask the question again and hopefully I see it. Before I get started with answering the questions, I wanted to quickly share with you guys some major news that you most likely have already heard, which is about the prepaid debit cards that have begun being sent out to 4 million Americans. Okay, the Department of Treasury announced on May 18th that it's starting to send out nearly 4 million EIP by prepaid debit card instead of a paper check. EIP card recipients can make purchases, get cash from an in-network ATM, and transfer funds to their personal bank account without incurring any fees. Please note that the EIP card is not the same as a direct express debit card on which many Social Security and SSI beneficiaries receive their monthly benefit payments. Okay. I think this is a pretty cool thing that the IRS is doing, addressing the concern and the need for those who are underbanked and to reach those who don't have any banking information on file with the IRS. So that's pretty sweet. For those who receive payment status not available, the IRS has stated in an update that those who receive this notice does not mean you're ineligible or won't be receiving a payment. It just means that the IRS has yet to process your information. Once it does, your payment status will be updated. I recommend you check the Get My Payment tool every morning or mid-afternoon, whenever you get a chance, daily, to check to see if your payment status information has been processed and updated. As I mentioned in previous videos, the IRS updates their website once every night. So it's a good idea to check back daily to see if things have been changed for you. Okay, now let's get into the questions. For starters, just a simple housekeeping rules, because I get this question quite often. Who is eligible to receive the economic impact payment? You have to be a U.S. citizen or a permanent resident, have a valid Social Security number, and have an adjustable gross income that meets within the guidelines. Let's start with the first question. Is child support taking stimulus money? Yes. As I've mentioned several times before, unfortunately, child support does garnish your stimulus check. My daughter filed me on her taxes. Does that mean she gets it? No. Those adults claimed as dependents will not receive a stimulus payment. The additional $500 payment are only for children under the age of 17. Now these one guys, these are heavy hitters. These are frequent ones. These are like the every other comment is these questions. So hopefully this addresses that concern for you. So let's get it started with the lightning round. Where's my check? Where's my payment? Where's my money? What's taking so long? It's been months. Where is my money? Okay, let's talk about some of the reasons why your stimulus payment might be delayed and haven't arrived. 1. The IRS is sending your payment through the mail. The IRS made a big push to get everyone who was eligible for a check to sign up for direct deposit by May 13th. The benefit of direct deposit, the IRS said, was you get your check quicker than through the mail. Now that the deadline has passed, the IRS said it will start sending paper checks and debit cards to those it doesn't have banking information for from now through June. Okay? So, if you did not get a chance to sign up for direct deposit on the IRS website, on the non-filers tool, you will be receiving a paper check. And because of that, your payments might be delayed. But the money is coming. Next reason why your money might be delayed. The banking information the IRS has for you is out of date or no longer valid. The IRS said it's using banking information from your 2018 and 2019 tax return to send your payment. Some tax preparers, however, set up temporary accounts for their clients to receive their returns, such as a prepaid debit card. If this is the information the IRS has for you, the agency said the payment will be returned and reprocessed. So if you use a tax preparer service like an H&R Block and they gave your money on a debit card, if that's the case, your stimulus check has been returned and will be reprocessed and sent out to you via the mail. You need to file a non-filer's form. If you're eligible for payment, but because of low income, did not need to file tax return in 2018 or 2019, you may need to use the IRS non-filer's tool to get the agency your information. If you think that is you, head over to the IRS website, check the requirements, then provide the basic information to get started. Okay guys, you guys probably have heard and seen this on both YouTube and around the web, is that to assist with potential problems regarding payment and a lot of questions that folks are having, the IRS started adding 3,500 telephone representatives to help navigate through those common issues. I've read in the comment sections below that folks who have called the IRS phone number, it's just an automated voice, and the people who do pick up aren't as helpful as they would like them to be. So I do apologize about that, but it's an interesting time that we all find ourselves in, and waiting for money when you are in a dire need of it is not easy. So I do apologize on behalf of the IRS for taking so long for you guys, and I hope your money comes soon. So the question that I get the most from my comment section is, Belle, I receive form of Social Security such as SSI, Ssdi, SSA, RBB, like etc. When is my money coming? I just want to know a date. I just want to know something so I can have some solace. I have a little bit of information for you guys, and I hope this is helpful. So the IRS has stated that those who receive SSI benefits and who have a representative payee and are living in the United States will begin receiving their payments in late May through June. So we are currently heading into late May. So that means the money is coming. The money is coming. I know it's not easy to wait, but the money is coming. And similar to folks who receive SSI and have a representative payee, those who receive railroad retirement, VA benefits, their checks and deposits are being sent out in batches every week until exhausted. However you receive your monthly payments is the method that the IRS will take to send out your stimulus check. But I read that some folks who receive SSI, SSDI, even though they get theirs in deposit form every month, they have been receiving a paper check in the mail instead. So keep an eye out on your mailbox, because that may happen to you also. And also, I would recommend once daily at least to check the Get My Payment to see if your information has been processed and when an actual date has been given for you. If you see that it says a payment status unavailable, like I mentioned earlier in the video, that just means the IRS has yet to process your information. Doesn't mean you're not eligible. As long as you are not claimed as a dependent on someone's tax return, you are eligible for the money. Okay, so that's all the updates that I have for you guys. Let me know down below if you're still waiting for your stimulus check in the comment section below. Write down any questions that you may have, and I will do the best I can to answer them as quickly as I can. Thanks for watching, and thanks for tuning in. Until next time,